Have you ever wished you could find the secret to getting ahead of most first-time homebuyers, especially as a blue-collar worker? If so, this is the video you've been waiting for. This video will give you the edge you need to succeed and to save money. I don't know why I did the rain money. So don't get left playing catch up. Learn what savvy first-time buyers are doing differently. Be sure to watch until the end to unlock special strategies that I'm only sharing at the end of this video. It could transform your buying experience. My name is Marcelle, and I have been a licensed loan officer for over 6 years, and I've had the privilege to help many blue-collar workers just like you achieve the dream of owning their first home. Now, the first step to getting ahead is understanding the current housing market. As a blue-collar worker, it's crucial to know the trends and challenges because this knowledge will empower and help you make informed decisions. For example, keep an eye on the interest rates. You want to know the housing availability and the regional market differences. This will all help you stay ahead. Next, it's essential for you to get your finances in order. I can't stress this enough. Now, this next step isn't for everyone, and I talk about it all the time. If you watch my channel, you know I talk about this all the time. Start by reviewing your credit score. And if it's bad, then you're going to need to take the steps to improve it. If you have bad credit, let's fix it. Now, this is only if it's necessary for you. If you have good credit, then this step doesn't bother you, but you still need to know your credit score. This can significantly impact your ability to secure a favorable mortgage rate, aka the higher your credit is, the better your rate will be. Next, you're going to set a budget that realistically aligns with your income and lifestyle. Meaning, if you like shopping or going on vacations and you don't want to give that up, you don't want to change your lifestyle, you're not going to want to get a mortgage that no longer allows for that. A big mortgage means you might have to do big changes in your lifestyle. So there's a big difference on what you can afford versus what you're comfortable paying. And I've been doing this for years, and so many people forget to account for this hidden cost. Mortgage secret, closing fees or closing costs. So closing costs are fees associated with closing. It's different from your down payment. A lot of people get those confused. Now, some of these fees include property taxes, maintenance, expenses, mortgage fees, and all that stuff. All that is closing fees and closing costs. Next, you're going to consider getting pre-approved for a mortgage before house hunting. Honestly, I don't even know why I didn't say why I said consider. You need to do this. It's not even a consideration. You need to do this. This could have actually been number one to me. And I'm not quoting Big E. Next, most realtors won't even talk to you if they find out you're not pre-approved first. They won't even take you out to see a house or take you serious. The realtor that's supposed to be helping you won't take you serious without getting this done. So why do you think you can skip this step? That's how important it is. So if you want to save time and money, do this first. Plus, it gives you an additional benefit of having a clear idea of what you can afford when you're actually ready to put in an offer on a house. Because if you put an offer in and you don't get pre-approved, can you really afford that house? It's also going to show the seller that you're a serious buyer if you can give them a real pre-approval. So sometimes people put offers in and the sellers are like, maybe I should accept this. And then they find out you're not pre-approved. Your file, your loan, nothing has been started. They're like, yeah, you're not serious, goodbye. But on the other side of it, if other people are doing that, then this is going to give you a competitive edge, especially in competitive markets where sellers are deciding between multiple offers. Who do you think they're gonna pick? The person who's been pre-approved or the person who hasn't? Another critical strategy is to be flexible with your options. While you may have an ideal home in mind, which we all do, being open to different locations or different types of homes can actually increase your chances of finding a great deal. Sometimes a fixer-upper in a less popular neighborhood can be transformed into your dream home over time, especially with the right loan. Ding ding. So stop feeling like you have to have the perfect home right away. Take your time, try to fix it up. I've been in this business for years, and I've been in my house for 6, and I'm still trying to fix up my house. So I've already been in the business, I know about this, and I didn't buy my dream home. No, I bought a house that I liked and it needed a little work. So the key is you are having a home. I'm stressing that. Yeah, that's what. You are getting a home. It's fine if it's not your fully dream home with the pool, the mansion, all the 6-car garages, whatever you want. It is fine because guess what? You did it. You own it. So now that you own it, you could take your time to fix up the floors, to fix up the ceiling, to change the recessed lights, or transform the kitchen. It's your home, and you're transforming it into a... I was supposed to say, I wanted to make a point, like a pun. So it's a house and you're transforming it into a home. But I just butchered that. So we'll just keep going. Additionally, tap into all available resources and programs. Programs are designed for first-time homebuyers. Well, a few of them are designed for first-time homebuyers. Many states offer down payment assistance or special loans or grants. Now, for blue-collar workers, for example, I created a program called the Community Heroes Discount, where first responders and essential workers can get up to $2,500 to put towards the purchase or refi of their home. Ooh, how does that sound? Finally, surround yourself. I'm gonna restart that because that's how important this is. I want you to fully engage and fully understand this. Finally, surround yourself with a team of professionals who understand your needs and have your best interest at heart. Not everyone has this. So that's why I always tell you guys, interview and make sure you align with the people you're working with, because you might notice that, wait, this person is only thinking about their commission. Oh, I wasn't pointing at me. I was just pointing in general. A good real estate agent is one. A financial advisor, if you have stocks and stuff like that, they can help you plan your money. You're going to need a home inspector. You're going to need a good insurance broker. You're going to need a good attorney. And no, I had to save the best for last. A licensed loan officer like me, who can provide invaluable guidance and support throughout the entire home buying process and even after. Staying informed and having a strong financial plan and being flexible are key, but there's more to learn. Discover the crucial truth about low inventory and how it could work in your favor by watching this next video right here to unlock insights that savvy buyers are already using to their advantage.